This is my favorite place at Eden post lunch. I just went out. It was almost sunset. Welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So, right now I'm in Eden Homestay again. So, it's 7th of April 2026. Uh, there are changes, big changes, not much. Here, this is my favorite place, and it's cloudy. I did this is sunset. Meanwhile, uncle and auntie, they are going for the evening walk. Okay, so 7th April 2026, the day was memorable. Definitely my first solo tour to Kalimpong. Uh, Quite excited I am. Eventful solo tour, I can say. That Dublin homestay, there was a fraudulent. I will share in a video later. First, I will share the positive thing, and after that I will share all the incidents, so that those who are thinking for the solo, even about the car fare, what you have to keep in mind. So this is my favorite place, Eden. What you have to keep in mind, I will share everything. Hope it will be helpful for everybody. Like, if you think solo is not expensive, then you are living in a delulu. What I can say, because today it is almost a leisure day for me. From NGP, I went to Delo for the paragliding, because already I have seen most of the places in Kalimpong. And if you ask me, I don't like to travel solo, but as I have to always watch movie alone, so I have to do it, because my parents are aged, especially my mother. She has a new knee problem, and I am uh, fond of this Darjeeling and this Kalimpong area. So the known place, it is like a fresh oxygen. So what I did, in NGP, yeah, my co-passengers are really very good. They took my business card and they are with the travel agency. They are going to Peling. So I had a very good conversation, and in the night I don't have any problem to sleep. I never feel unsafe. I was very bothered, and yesterday, like 6th, 6 to 7, it was 6th of April, and going to be 7th. So at 1:30 a.m. suddenly I have too much stomach ache and loose motion. Nothing is working, so I cancelled the food for the train. I booked it, and after that I was thinking that I have to cancel the tour. And seriously, you know what? My parents, they don't know that I am coming to Delo for the paragliding. Only Rajesh ji know that I am coming for the paragliding. So he knows me very well, and uh, the driver, Karma Bhuti uncle, he knows that I am going for the paragliding. My parents, they have no idea. My friends, they don't have any idea that I am going for that. So it was in mind, and I was thinking that I'm very close to my bucket list. I'm very close to my destiny, and I have to cancel the train. And I thought, no, whatever it is. So I spoke to my doctor friends, and I started tablet, the O2 tablet. Obviously they gave me the dose. It was a high dose. Ambizyme was not working for me, so every 6 hours, I 1:30 a.m. I had that O2. And after that, around after 6 hours, around 7:30, I had another O2. So I was thinking, that time I was feeling well, and I told my mom that, see, I'm not going to have that egg thali right now. I trained you for how to cook, so why don't you cook my diet khichdi? I'll go to the bazaar, I mean local market, and I bought some chicken. So she made the khichdi for me, the chicken khichdi, chicken masoor dal. If you will ask for the recipe, I will share the recipe later. So diet khichdi was there, and I told her that I want some boiled egg. I will carry it, and obviously ORS. So I was having ORS. So 7th, already 7th, 7:30 a.m. And then I was feeling little bit better and I was feeling very comfortable. I was talking to my friend Monjuri. When I said that I am not going, she said, "Ki you please go, uh, whatever it is." And according to her language, we are Hegru friends. Whenever we have tension, we last year when I was going through flight, first flight you can say, and my loose motion started. So it was like inner voice, I won't say inner voice, it was inner uh, what I can say, inner tension. So that's why I have that problem. And I was having tablet that time last year 2025. And even can you believe that inside flight I was asking the air hostess that when I can go to the loo because I cannot hold it anymore. Even in the airport also I did it. So I went to Ahmedabad. So I'm a very positive person. And I told my mom, if it's a corporate tour or a professional tour, I had to go. So why not this time? So my mom first she said at 1:30 a.m. that don't go, cancel it. And then she said okay, okay, go. So I was feeling better. And then after 6 hours again. So and after that sorry, I was saying that it's 7th, like it was 5 to 6. 5th April started, 5th to 6th, because 6th April I was like, so 6th April it was my train. And yesterday I was feeling well. And my mom says कि পটল দিয়ে মাছের ঝোল খেতে হবে. I said okay fine, চলো कोई बात नहीं. So in the lunch I had that potol diye মাছের ঝোল and rice, lots of rice. I was feeling very hungry and I took lots of water. And I went to bazaar also. And then finally um, it was my train. My father was there. He was very worried. He is Chintamani. He is always worried for everything. For me, for our cat, for our stray dog. He is very Chintamani kind of person. Something is good. So I booked the Jatri Shati. And after that it was 254 rupees from Jadavpur to Shialda railway station. It was 254 rupees, yeah. And then Uttar Bongo started on time. And I was having dinner, that khichuri, chicken khichuri. And yes, from Shialda I bought chicken hot dog. Around 12:30 p.m. I was very hungry, so I had a bite. And after that 1:30 again I am hungry, so I have another bite. So I was okay. And I was having the medicine. Dr. Ghosh was there, our homeopathic doctor. He's like my extended family. After my parents, he is the person I respect most. So he gave me medicine. I'm carrying the medicine. So after that I was okay. And there is no as such bad incident when I was traveling in the train. So apart from a person, I was always in the upper berth. A person, he was farting a lot. And then I spoke to the CRPF. I told them দাদা আর পারছি না, এত গন্ধ ছাড়ছে, আমি কি করব. And he was also laughing. He said, let's go, চলো দেখতে हैं. तो फिर because the guy had biryani and chicken chop. So and I have to suffer. And other person to they switched off the fan because it was cold. I said ke please apni ekটু চালিয়ে দিন because I cannot tolerate. She said ke okay, okay. And then there is no as such thing. And another thing, a person, that is a problem that everybody complain about this problem, that without headphone they are using the mobile. So the songs are there, OTT is there, no problem at all. I bought earpod from Misho. I was prepared. I don't want to go for a fight because this is not a problem for me. So I put on the earpod and I slept. So every time you cannot fight. When there is a genuine problem, definitely you fight for that. And if there is no problem, find something. The solution will be there. And yes, I don't get any coolie when I get down at NGP. So I mean today 7th. So when I get down at NGP, I did not get any coolie. that was not a problem for me. You can see the picture that how I managed it, and there is escalator. Luckily it was working, so I used the escalator, and after that there is a ramp. It was new last year, November. It was not there. I have to get down through the staircase, and my suitcase is very heavy because it is the old one, and its own weight is 5 kg. So it was a heavy one, and I'm a very short height person, 5 feet 1 inch. So it is a problem for me, but somehow I managed. And then rest, I went to Kalpana Hotel and I had that puri sabji, and after that Delo paragliding, everything, and no, not Delo, Shebokeshwari Mandir, Delo paragliding, and then back to Eden. So another thing, when I came to Eden, Eti was not there, so I forgot to tell him for the lunch. So I am carrying the instant noodle that you have to put the hot water and those two boiled egg. So it was around 2:30. So I boiled water, and then I had that lunch with two boiled egg and that ramen noodles, not the spicy one. So it was some Pokemon. I had that, and after that I did all the video calls and everything because my friends Monjuri, my mom, everybody was oh acha paragliding হয়েছে আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে. Monjuri was like হ্যাঁ তুমি পারবে আমি জানতাম. When I said I'm going for the paragliding last moment, so she said কে আমি জানতাম তুমি পারবে. She also have no idea that I'm going to do that. And after that Eti made a very good tea, but as I had a stomach problem, so I'm avoiding milk. I said ke raw tea. So he made a very good tea, ginger tea, and I'm doing the vlogging, and sunset is there, you can see. I'll go back to Eden, and I'll sleep till dinner, and tomorrow I'll just go to the this planning to go to Reli River and Palla River, and then come back, lunch, rest, and day after tomorrow go back to Kolkata. So end of solo tour. This was my dinner, though I reduced everything. I cannot eat that much. Sabji, salad, papad, chicken, dal, rice. That's my post dinner time to sleep. See you in the next vlog. Stay tuned with Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel.